Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
As you progress, you will navigate through various environments, including caves and abandoned minecart tracks. Pay close attention to your surroundings to find important locations such as the locker room, the bedroom, and the control room. Interacting with objects in these areas is crucial for solving puzzles and unlocking new paths, moving you closer to your mission's completion. Survival is key in Frigid Dusk. When the bioweapon is near, quickly hide in lockers and close doors behind you to evade detection. You will need to find specific items, like an axe, which is vital for breaking down barriers and accessing new sections of the facility. Be prepared to solve various puzzles, including computer and pipe-based challenges, to advance your objectives. For a smoother experience, consistently check your journal for updated objectives and any lore you might collect. When you reach the control room, exercise caution with power connections. Incorrect actions can trigger alarms, attracting the bioweapon. Finally, always remember to crouch before entering lockers to ensure you hide properly and avoid any potential glitches.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.